Once upon a time, a young boy named Robert had two fathers. One was his real father, poor dad, a highly educated man with degrees, a stable job, but always struggling with money. The other was his best friend's father, rich dad, a man with little formal education, but he was wealthy, successful, and financially free. Both dads loved Robert, but their advice was very different. Poor dad said, go to school, get good grades, find a secure job. Rich dad said, learn how money works. Don't work for money, make money work for you. Robert listened. He watched how poor dad worked hard his whole life, but never escaped the rat race. He saw rich dad build businesses, investments, and assets, even while others worked jobs. Rich dad taught him the most important lesson. If you want to be rich, build assets. Don't buy liabilities. Poor dad thought his house was an asset. Rich dad said, unless it puts money in your pocket, it's a liability. Over time, Robert realized the rich think differently. They build assets like real estate, stocks, and businesses. Learn about money, investing, and taxes. Take smart risks and never stop learning. Poor dad worked for money. Rich dad made money work for him. That's the secret. And today, Robert Kiyosaki shares this truth in his famous book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad. So the question is, which dad's path will you follow? The choice is yours.